Hello everyone. Today I show you how to solve SQL exercises in Hackerrank name higher than 75. The content of exercises is query the name of any student in students who scored higher than 75 marks. Order your output by the last 3 characters of each name. If 2 or more students both have names ending in the same last 3 characters. Secondary, sort them by ascending ID. In first row I retrieve student name with using select command. Then I write condition that student who scored higher than 75 marks in second row. For this, I used where command. In third row I write the other condition which order output by the last 3 characters of each name and id ascending. For this I used order by and subster command. That's all, then run code and submit it. Thank for watching video.